Welcome to DJ TV.
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to DJ TV, and we say happy new week to all of you now. My people, e get one lawyer for Kenya wey be say they don't tag as fake. They say he no get qualification to practice as lawyer. Meanwhile, this person so he don't win about 26 cases. As no case wey they carry come give am, say no dey win, and the guy no be real lawyer. He no even get license to practice as lawyer. He no even go lawyer school. His name na be Brian Zuwanda. This guy, they say they personate person name. He dey carry out law activities wey be say no be lawyers, and they don't find out now say no be real lawyer. So they is wanted right now in Kenya. The guy is very intelligent when it comes to defending cases in courts. Now this kind of lawyer, so this kind of intelligent lawyer, now Obi and Atiku need. Yes, so my people, the guy is very good when it comes to law. They don't find out now say this guy no be lawyer. They don't declare unwanted. They defend as a politicians and they hold on. Say he was last seen with the former governor of so state Kenya. They have declared this guy wanted, and this guy is so good in terms of law activities. Maybe I will play on this video now. Mona listen to them. Mona hear this guy. They analyze case. They bring out facts.
Brian Wenda. I'm on record. I would like to bring the court to the attention of the affidavit, the supporting affidavit of CIP Kemboi, Rob. And I go straight to number 4. It indicates paragraph 4. He says that on the 20th of July 2023, the 3 accused persons were arrested at Kiserian. I would like to correct, I would like to indicate to have the court note that that is incorrect.
Not be small thing, no. This is anyway. When I listen to this, their reports have been a broadcast from Kenya concerning this matter. Look now, watch and don't forget to like and share. Watch the video.
Welcome to the broadcast. Now, the Law Society of Kenya is asking politicians to keep off the issue of fake advocate Brian Mwenda Njagi. LSK is demanding that former Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko hands over fake advocate Brian Mwenda Njagi to the police for arrest. Now, the LSK president, Eric Theuri, says the former governor is the last person seen with Mwenda. LSK says Mwenda committed fraud and it is investigating how much money he took from unsuspecting members of the public. Now, the legal body asserts that any document handled by Mwenda lacks legal backing. The LSK president has expressed shock at the fact that Mwenda enjoys support among some politicians and has dismissed KOTU Secretary General Francis Atwoli's support for the fake advocate.
To notify members of the public that Brian Mwenda Njagi is now a fugitive from the law. And as citizens of this country, we have a moral and a legal obligation to effect arrest if the said masquerader is spotted anywhere in public. We have also seen a video that he shot yesterday evening with the former governor of Nairobi, Mike Sonko, making fun of the allegations that are the serious allegations that have been made against him, and saying that he would present himself to a police station either on Monday or on Tuesday. We wish to notify the former governor that he is now aiding a fugitive from the law, and that in itself is a criminal offense, and that if he does not produce the masquerader to the nearest police station, that we would also be asking the police to take action against him. The said Brian Mwenda committed a number of offenses. He pretended to be an advocate. He obtained money from people, his clients, misleading them and hoodwinking them that he is an advocate. That is in itself a criminal offense. He also stole the identity of an existing advocate Mr. Brian Mwenda Ntigwa, and that in itself is also a criminal offense.
DJ